Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is my get it all done with me before Christmas. We are going to be doing tons of cleaning motivation in here, so grab a coffee and clean with me, get some homemaking holiday motivation. I'm going to be sharing with you guys, on top of cleaning, my Christmas Eve basket and one of my favorite nuts and bolts recipes. Let's get to it. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you are new here. I am so excited for today's video. We are going to be doing a clean with me, but this is not just like any sort of clean with me. This is gonna be a get it all done with me before Christmas, and I'm so excited to be doing this video for you guys here this week. If you are new here, my name is Brianne and I am a mama to two little girls aged 1 and 3. I live in Canada and I am really excited to have you here on my channel. So I create content on things like motherhood, homemaking, and lifestyle motivation. So if that's something that interests you, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and without further ado, we are gonna get into the Christmas season and motivation. Let's get to it. So we are starting off with some cleaning motivation in our master bedroom today. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and make our bed. So if you haven't already made your bed this morning, here is your gentle reminder to go ahead and make your bed with me.
What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack.
Moving on into our main bathroom, I'm going ahead and just tidying this up before giving it a really quick wipe down.
How is that even possible?
We had company coming over, so I did use Lysol today. Whenever we have company coming over, I make sure to Lysol everything just so that, you know, they can feel safe.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me go now. Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time.
So when cleaning your toilet after you're done, I saw this from Emily Norris here on YouTube, to put the toilet lid down on your handle after you are done cleaning it so that you don't get water everywhere and it has time to dry. And I thought it was such a great hack, so I wanted to share it with you guys.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter.
Moving on to my older toddler girl's room, I'm going ahead and just swapping out her sheets here, as I didn't put fitted sheets on. We had an accident a while ago, and then I just didn't put on the fitted sheet, so I wanted to go ahead and just do that and wash the other one while I was making her bed.
I'm going back now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good.
I'm not really sure how this happened, but there literally just seemed to be toys absolutely everywhere in our house today. So I just did a major tidy up, putting everything back in their spots prior to wiping everything down.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
So the only reason that I was cleaning like crazy today is because, again, we did have company coming over for supper. So I cleaned while it was nap time, and then my oldest toddler was actually at her nanny and Opa's house having some time with them. So it was really nice to get this done. I feel like I got so much accomplished in an hour. That is about how long this video took me. And that includes the filming process as well, which usually takes me a little bit longer.
Now all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should
our table again has somehow become the junk drawer, so I'm still trying to figure out a system to get that under control. But here I am just wiping everything down using my Tipper River spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get our table partially set up for our company to come over.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah.
So if you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Leave a comment and let me know where you're watching from. I hope this video can give you tons of cleaning motivation, and if you like these types of videos, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button as well. I'd love for you to join our growing YouTube family.
Think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just be.
All right, friends, moving on to the kitchen. I'm going ahead and starting off with the dishes. I forgot to start our dishwasher, so yeah, that was not very fun. I hate when I forgot to start my dishwasher. I just feel like it puts me behind as I'm such a structured person. But anyway, so I'm going ahead and filling up our dishwasher before moving on to washing the girls' dishes by hand here. Like always, so I'm gonna go ahead and play some music so that you can hopefully get some stuff done on your list while you're watching me.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn to
So I wanted to quickly just hop on here and wish you guys all a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. I hope you guys have some wonderful time. Hopefully you are able to spend it with some family this week, as I will not see you until after Christmas now. So I just wanted to again pop on here and wish you guys all the best.
like everything's gone, everything that we could have been.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
So I was also going to share with you guys what I was planning on doing for Christmas morning, but I knew that this video was going to be quite long, so I didn't end up filming it, but I will post the recipe in the description bar. I've used it before time and time again, and I love it.
Oh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
So then we are moving on to the sink. My mother-in-law showed me to use this Comet stuff. Apparently it is like so good. She has cleaned our sink before, and every time she does, I'm just like, what do you use? And so this is what she recommended for me, and here I am trying it out for the first time. Wait until you see the after.
The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you.
And I would also love to know what you use to clean your kitchen sink.
I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay?
Alright guys, so we're going to take a quick break from cleaning. I'm going to share with you guys how I'm doing my toddler's Christmas Eve gift basket. So I don't know if this is something that you guys do. This is my first year doing it, but I'm just going to put together one basket for this year, and then maybe next year each of the girls will have their own. So I went to the dollar store and I got just like this super cute basket. And then in the basket, I'm going to put matching slippers for the girls that we got. So they each have a pair of those. I just got some like Christmas books at the dollar store, and then I also got this sticker book because they literally had like no Christmas stuff left, as I kind of dropped the ball on this one, but mom life. I'm going to include some popcorn as well. I haven't decided which one I'm going to go with. It depends how it looks. And then last but not least, I'm going to include their matching Christmas jammies. So I'm going to put this together and see how it turns out. This year is nothing crazy. I didn't go like all fancy or anything. I'm just trying to keep it really, really simple, as we have some major things happening this year at Christmas. We have lots of like things planned and stuff like that. And so I wanted to keep this just kind of super simple this year.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama, and trying to be tough all the daytime.
So this is how the basket ended up turning out. Again, just keeping it super simple this year. Now what I'm doing is I'm just wrapping it in some cello that I had from my business actually. So yeah, but you could go and get some like really Christmassy cello if you wanted to. You can get some really nice stuff from the dollar store. That is usually where I get my cello when I don't order it through my company. But I really like this cello because it was clear and just very natural, neutral, and I didn't want to take away from the actual basket itself. And so I wanted to, again, just keep it clear.
You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is nowhere in a...
Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes, and it is my nuts and bolts recipe. So let's go ahead and make that. I love it because it's not baked. You just have to stir it once every hour or so until it's fully coated. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. It's the easiest recipe ever. Okay guys, for this recipe, you're going to need 8 cups of cereal. So I use Cheerios, Shreddies, Bugles, and then pretzels. I usually like to use the Dots pretzels, but I forgot to order them in time, so this is what I had on hand. But I will go ahead and link the Dots pretzels. There's literally nothing better than them. Like, they're so good. Then what you're going to do is you're going to mix some olive oil with ranch seasoning. So I use 2 packs of ranch seasoning per 1 cup of oil. However, I did find it to be quite salty, so I would probably add another half a cup of oil and end up using 1.5 cups of oil to 2 cups of ranch seasoning. So it did still end up turning out fine, but again, I found it a little bit salty. So if you like it on the more salty side, it's very flavorful, but for me personally, that's what I would have done differently. This is the perfect snack to munch on during the holiday season. It doesn't make a whole heck of a lot, so if you wanted to make a big batch, you could obviously double or triple the recipe. So today I am whipping out my lovely Dyson vacuum rather than having our robot vacuum go, as there was just dog hair in every little nick and cranny in our house. I swear it had been such a long time since I had whipped this baby out. As you know, as a busy mom of 2 little girls, I honestly don't like vacuuming, just kind of gets put on the back burner for me, as we do have our robot vacuum, which takes a very good care of our house. And in fact, I do find it cleans really, really good. And so I just haven't had to use my Dyson. But again, the hair just kind of seemed to get caught up in the little cracks and stuff where the robot vacuum can't reach. So I wanted to whip that out today and get all of the dog hair.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
I normally don't like to vacuum this side of the house when my kids are napping, but it was already time for her to get up roughly, and I knew she would be up really soon, so it just didn't matter. Let me know in the comments if you vacuum near your kids' bedrooms when they're napping. Maybe it's just me, but I just don't want to risk waking them up during nap time, and I actually never vacuum in the evenings ever. So that was just since moving to this house here. I used to vacuum when the girls would nap, and I just don't really know what changed.
It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
But my daughter did end up waking up anyway, and so here you see her joining the party. She loves the vacuum now. She used to be scared of it, and now it's grown on her, and I swear I could get her a vacuum for Christmas and she would be so excited. I didn't get her a vacuum for Christmas, in case you're wondering. But anyway, so yeah, she just loves to vacuum. She loves to be, with me, and I just love having her as my little sidekick here.
I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because
And here are the only vacuum lines you'll basically ever see in my house. I love vacuum lines. I feel like there's nothing better than seeing the lines on the carpet after you finish vacuuming. Let me know in the comments if you have a thing for vacuum lines as well. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope that you enjoyed all of the motivation in today's Get It All Done With Me prep for Christmas. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button for more cleaning, homemaking, and lifestyle motivation, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!